In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log into your Notion account step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Notion is one of the most powerful all-in-one workspace tools for notes, tasks, databases, and collaboration. But everything starts with logging in correctly. Whether you're accessing Notion for the first time or just want a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and clear way. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, type in notion.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Notion website. Make sure you're on the correct site to keep your account secure. Once the page loads, you'll see the Notion homepage, which highlights how Notion helps you organize your work and ideas in one place. Take a moment to confirm that the website URL is correct before moving on. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Notion homepage. You'll see a button that says Log In. Go ahead and click on that. This will redirect you to the Notion login page. On this screen, Notion gives you multiple ways to sign in, depending on how you originally created your account. You can log in using your email address, or you can continue with Google or Apple if you signed up that way. Choose the option that matches how your Notion account was created. Now, click on Continue to Login. If you selected email, enter the email address associated with your Notion account. Notion may send you a one-time login code to your email, or it may ask for your password, depending on your account settings. If you're using Google or Apple, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and approve the login request. Once your details are verified, you'll be logged into your Notion workspace automatically. From here, you can access your pages, databases, and shared workspaces. If you're part of a team, you'll see your team workspace right away. If you have multiple workspaces, you can switch between them using the workspace switcher in the sidebar. If you ever have trouble logging in, double-check that you're using the correct email address and login method. Also, make sure cookies and pop-ups are enabled in your browser, as Notion relies on them for authentication. If needed, you can always use the Forgot Password or Resend Login Link option. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Notion account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.